21 ways you can earn the respect of others. If you want to be respected, the key here is to stop focusing on you. Then start thinking about others. How can you help others? How can you inspire change, growth, and innovation? Firstly, please give this video a like and subscribe our channel. Here are some of my own tips. 1. Be relentlessly proactive. Don't always wait for direction from others. Use your own skills and resources to start getting things done and solve problems. 2. Keep your promises. This is the most important action you can take to start gaining respect. If you took commitments lightly in the past, stop it now. Always honor commitments and promises. 3. Stop apologizing. There is a time and place for apologies. Sometimes you make mistakes, and you can apologize. But stop using the word sorry 100 times. 4. Don't waste other people's time. If you respect others' time, they will respect yours. 5. Stop gossiping immediately. You need to respect others, even if you don't like them. Stop talking behind people's backs, or you and your reputation will quickly become irrelevant. 6. Stop being too nice. Distinguish kindness from always having to do things for people. Trying to make everyone happy won't get you very far. Being a pushover is highly undesirable if your goal is to be respected. 7. Practice humility. You're not always going to be right, and you're not the best at everything. True confidence comes from understanding humility. 8. Have a moral code. What do you believe in? What's important to you? What makes you mad and want to change the world? Answer these kinds of questions will get you to the core of your own personal moral code. 9. Be open-minded. You should remain open-minded. Being open-minded is not complicated. You must acknowledge that you still have so much to learn, and you continue learning from others. 10. Add real value. Think of ways to offer value to others. If you create something of value, people will respect you. 11. Always do your homework. Do the background research. Find out everything you need to know to make things effective. 12. Be inspiring. Talk to others about your passions and goals without holding back. Show that you have faith in them. 13. Learn to say no. Don't feel guilty about saying no once in a while. Don't worry about missed opportunities either. You don't need to agree to everything that someone asks from you. Sometimes, you are more respected by saying no. 14. Don't believe the self-talk. You need to respect yourself. Remember your strengths and learn from your mistakes. Confidence comes from knowing your failure and imperfection. 15. Believe in your ideas. Don't discard your ideas. 16. Speak up when you're mistreated. Don't just take it when someone is mistreating you, or taking advantage of you. Be professional and diplomatic, but don't be silent. Speaking up for yourself is not always easy to do. That's why it is the mark of a person deserving respect. 17. Stand up for someone else. There are moments when you need to stand up for others. You don't need to please everyone. 18. Speak your mind. Make sure you speak your mind if necessary. People who are highly respected have strong opinions on many topics. 19. Stop talking. Sometimes you need to stop talking and listen. Genuinely listen to people and try to understand them. Use silence to your advantage. 20. Care about others. Start caring about others. Pay attention to your surroundings and the people in your life. Show you don't only focus on yourself. You have the emotional capability to pay attention and give help when needed. 21. Control your emotions. Be yourself and show enthusiasm. Know the difference between responding and reacting. The latter is not a good habit.